Welcome to Spreadsheet 1, Topic 4.3, Display and Print Formulas. So sometimes when we're looking at a spreadsheet, especially one that is not producing the expected output, we want to take a look at the formulas and see what's going on. Now we could go through all of these cells with formulas one by one, but that's a painstaking process, especially in larger spreadsheets. It is more efficient to go to our View menu and to show the formulas. So now we see the equations in every cell. And we can expand this out so we can read the entire formula. So we can see exactly how everything is produced. So if something is a little bit out of whack, we can figure out what it is. In terms of printing them, if we print, you'll see if we try to print with those formulas showing, our little print preview here does have the formulas as they are. So it is still, or it's still visible, and this is what we'll print. When you have the formulas corrected, you can unshow the formulas, and then when you go to print, our little preview shows the values instead. So that is how you show and print the formulas.